Guess what I'm making? Tofu Scramble. It is so delicious. You can eat it on its own, or you can put it in burritos and have breakfast burritos with little potatoes. Up to you. Today I'm just doing a straight tofu scramble, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. Let's get started. Add a little olive oil into a heated pan. Toss in some onion and saute a bit. Then add some garlic. Next are the spices. Smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, lots of dill, salt and pepper. Mix those in and let them heat up a bit to release the flavors. Toss in bell pepper and broccoli, then let that cook down. Next is the fun part. You know how I love playing with my food. Grab your tofu block and start squishing it into the pan. Top with turmeric and more dill, then mix it up. Sprinkle in some cashews and mix those in. Add in some spinach, cover and cook. Let that spinach steam a bit, maybe like 2 minutes or so, and then give it a stir and it's ready to plate up. Again, you can use these in breakfast burritos if you want, or just on its own. Tonight what I'm doing is I'm laying it over a bed of spinach, just fresh spinach, and I'm going to top with avocado and some hot sauce. Again, absolutely delicious, super easy to throw together. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day.